Getting customers is the part that everyone thinks is the hardest, and it's actually the easiest. And having generated over $32 million online using this exact strategy I will reveal to you in this video, you're going to see how stupid simple this is, because the thing that used to actually be hard, getting attention, is the exact thing that AI made so simple. An example is Sean. Sean started a brand new Instagram account from scratch, built it to thousands of views, and made over 105,000 in less than 4 months. I run an Instagram account that does over 6 figures a month in profit, all from nothing but free content. And I'll be completely honest with you, I'm not particularly gifted on camera. What I am is consistent. And I'm going to give you the complete system I'd use to get a flood of the right buyers to a digital product for free. And I'm going to do it live so you can copy it move for move. Quick thing before we start, this is part 3 of a free 4-part series, showing you exactly how to build a digital product business from 0 to 100K and beyond. Part 1 was building the product. Part 2 was setting up your website store. Today is how you actually get unlimited flow of interested, hungry customers. And part 4 is going to be tying together the entire system into one real business. When you watch all 4 videos in this 4-part series, in video part 4 at the very end, you're going to get one free bonus valued at over $1,000, but only if you actually watch the entire 4-part series. So let's get you some customers for your product. Most people think getting attention is a talent that you're born with. It's not. It's a system, and it's the most learnable, repeatable, most copyable part of the entire system. Here's why. Unlike your product, the proof of what already works is already sitting out in public for free for you to study right now. You're looking at what is already working for other people in your space, and then you're just doing your own version of it. That's the whole game. Let me break this into a few steps that you can run today. Step 1, find what's already working. And this is where almost everyone sabotages themselves on day 1, because they sit down and they try to invent a brilliant original video idea out of thin air. That is the single hardest way to do this. And it's why people quit in week 1. Here's exactly what I do and how you can do this in the next 10 minutes on your phone. I open up Instagram and I search the world that my buyer lives in. Remember our example from the very first 2 videos, the focus guide for remote workers? So I'm searching work from home, focus, productivity. I'm not looking for videos with the most views. I'm looking for one specific thing, a video with way more views than the account has followers. Let me show you what I mean, because this is everything. Here's an account with barely any followers, and one of their videos has hundreds of thousands of views. Stop and think about what that tells you. That video did not blow up because this person is famous. They've got almost no following. It blew up because the idea and the format are so strong that the algorithm pushed it anyway. That is a proven, repeatable pattern. And that is exactly what you model after. A massive account getting massive views tells you nothing. Of course they got views, they're huge. But a tiny account getting huge views on a specific video, that tells you that this is an outlier video. The format itself is the winner. And every video where the views wildly outrun the follower counts goes into a private folder. 10 minutes later, I've got a stack of proven winners in my niche, formats in topics that are already pulling in the exact video that I want to sell to. I've not created a single thing yet, and I've already done the part that everyone else gets wrong. Step 2, and this is the one that used to be flat out impossible. You model and modify with AI. Now, listen carefully here. There's a right way and there's a wrong way. Modeling is not stealing. You're not ripping someone's video word for word and reposting it. That's lazy and that's wrong. And frankly, it doesn't even work. What you're modeling is the format and the topic, the proven skeleton. And then you make it yours with your own angle, your spin, and your product. Let me show you live. I grab one of those winners that I saved, and I say a creator listing 3 things killing your focus. Proven format, proven topic. Now, I don't just ascribe it to the AI from memory, I give it the actual thing. I pull the transcript from that video, the exact word the creator said, and I hand it straight to Claude and I tell it, here's the transcript of a short video that's performing really well. I want you to study why this format works, and then write me my own original version. Same punchy structure, but with my own 3 points and my own hook. Written for remote workers, about 15 seconds spoken. In about 10 seconds, it studies the proven structure and writes me a complete script in that same winning format. My points, my hook, built on a skeleton that I already know works. I read it, I tweak the lines that don't sound like me, and I've got a video that's mine. Model on a proven winner without staring at a blank page for an hour. You bring the proven pattern, AI brings the first draft, and you bring the final touch. That's the simplest part of this whole business, and it used to be the hardest. Step 3, you create the video, and here's why I kill the biggest fear head on. You do not have to show your face, ever. The most effective format by a mile is the talking head, a real person speaking right to the camera. Just like I am to you right now. There's a human there, talking to you, and that builds trust and authenticity faster than anything else. A person talking will almost always outbeat a slideshow of stock footage with text on it, because people connect to people. A person on screen does not have to mean your face. There are 3 ways to do this, and all 3 work. 1, face forward. You on camera talking. The most trust, the fastest, because people are actually seeing you. This is what I do. Simple podcast style videos talking straight to a camera, and more engaging one where I'm ranking books or breaking down AI tools. Nothing fancy. You're just a real person being clear and useful. There are tons of big personal brands out there, and my own students doing the exact same thing. If you're willing to be seen, this is the strongest option there is. Now 2, being faceless, but still a real person. This is the sweet spot for a lot of people, like my student Lila. She's the perfect example. She films herself talking, but she blurs her face. You still get the human presence, the voice, the energy, the trust, and you keep your privacy completely. But nobody knows who she is, and she's done 5 figures in sales completely faceless. 3, the AI avatar, where you don't film anything at all. Tools can now generate a realistic person who delivers the script from you. Let me give you a wild example. There's an account called Young Mun, a calm, wise monk sharing little bits of wisdom in simple videos, and he has over 2 million followers. But here's the thing, he's not real. The entire account, the monk, every video is 100% AI generated, and it sends people back to one simple ebook in his link in bio that pulls in tens of thousands of dollars per month. The upside of going this route is you never really need to film a thing. The trade-off is it can feel a little less human if you're sloppy, so the script has to genuinely be good. Go to my main Instagram, RichardYUZEE. See this video right here? That's 100% AI generated. That's not even me. And videos like this make me thousands of dollars on a weekly basis. So even if you do want to film yourself, but you want to save time because you don't want to film yourself every week, you can just clone yourself and model a strategy like that. So pick your lane. Willing to be seen? Go face forward. It's the strongest. Want to go face forward but value your time? Do the AI clone like I just told you. You value privacy? Faceless with a blur like Lila. Don't want to film at all? Build an AI avatar like Young Mun. Every one of these formats puts a real human feeling video in front of your buyer. And to actually edit it, do not overcomplicate this. You do not need expensive software or any skill. CapCut is free and it does almost everything. Captions, cuts, all of it. Instagram has solid editing, that's free, built right into the app. That's it. The tool is not what matters. Done and posted beats perfect and never finished every single time. In step 4, you can nail everything else and still lose right here. The first second is everything. So you open with a hook that stops them cold. Never, hey guys, welcome back. That's a death sentence. That's a scroll. You open on the nerve. If you can't focus working from home, it's probably because of this. Stop doing this one thing if you actually want to get work done at home. You lead with a problem or a bold promise in the very first breath. And then in the middle, that's where you deliver. You give them something genuinely useful, a real tip, a real insight, the value that you promise in that hook. And you're teaching the exact same buyer that you built your product for. And then at the very end, you have a soft call to action, not a hard, desperate pitch. I put my full focus system in my bio. The complete guide's in my bio if you want it. Value first, earn the click second. Hook, value, soft CTA in 15 to 30 seconds. You do not need a big account for any of this. Instagram actually tends to favor smaller, newer accounts, which means starting from 0 today is not the disadvantage you think it is. It's closer to an advantage. There's also Kayla, a full-time nurse and mom, brand new account, 1 7-second video that pulled nearly 2 million views and thousands of interested comments. And she turned it into real money. So let's put the whole loop together. You research what's working on Instagram. AI writes your own modified version. You record it in whatever format fits you, face, faceless, or avatar. You edit it simply and you post it with a thumb-stopping hook. The algorithm pushes it to the exact people who have that same problem. Some of them want more than a 15-second tip, so they tap your bio and your bio links straight to the store that we built in the last video, where your product is waiting. Let me be honest, because most people selling you this dream won't. One video is not going to change your life. This is a consistency game. You post regularly, you watch what hits, you make more of what works. But that's the good news, not the bad. Because every video that you post is a free permanent salesperson. It sells while you sleep. It never asks for a raise. And unlike an ad, it doesn't vanish the second you stop paying. You're building an audience of buyers that compounds, post after post for free. Now you know how to do the thing that scares people the most. And today you can get started literally with the phone in your pocket for nothing. I have to be straight with you about something. Getting someone to watch your video is not the same thing as getting them to buy. You can do everything in this video perfectly. You can rack up thousands of views. You can send a wave of people to your store and still watch most of them leave without buying a thing. It's a difference between hoping people buy and a building machine that turns viewers into customers on repeats. The exact path that walks someone from a 15-second video all the way to a paying customer without you chasing anyone. That's the final piece. And it's the thing that ties this entire series together into a real business. And that's part 4. And honestly, it's the most important one. And if it's up, it's gonna be right here on the screen. Also the first link in the description, so go watch it now. And if it's not up yet, no worries, just hit subscribe and turn that notification bell on so it lands in front of you the second it drops. You've built the product, you've built the store, and now you know how to get people to it. Let's go turn all of that attention into a real full 6 and even 7-figure business. So go ahead and tap right here, first link in the description, and I'll see you on the final fourth video.